another single box break of 2014 U.S. Army All-American Bowl trading card. This is the fourth box we've done. Printing plates in every one. It's only numbered to 99 cases, so it's probably going to be the general theme. Start off with the printing plate, big hitters of Dwight Williams, Zach Schmid, 45 out of 50. Trey Quinn, 4 out of 5. Todd Kelly Jr., 5 out of 25. Got a patch of Elijah Hood, 9 out of 10. Vian Talamievo, 48 out of 50. Jacob Park, 6 out of 10. Rafael Lielo, 10 out of 10. Nick Allegretti, 46 out of 50. Dwight Williams, 23 out of 25. Damari Kitt, 15 out of 25. And Sean Hamilton, 1 out of 10. Thank you.